Hi, I'm James for Tuffy Tire and Auto Service Center. Welcome to our Auto Care Aware video series. Today, I'd like to talk with you about your vehicle's air conditioning system. We've all been there on hot summer days when suddenly, without warning, your vehicle's AC system stops cooling. And your first question is, what happened? As you can probably imagine, we hear this story retold by our customers quite often. Usually, the cause of this problem is one of three issues with your vehicle's air conditioning system. The first and most common issue is a failure due to an incorrect AC refrigerant charge. This simply means that there is not enough refrigerant to remove the heat from the vehicle. When encountering this type of issue, our service technicians will first visually scan and check for refrigeration leaks. However, in some instances, a visual inspection isn't enough to identify the problem. In this scenario, your Tuffy service technician will inject a dye into the refrigeration system that is visible under a UV light to pinpoint the defect. The second most common air conditioning related issue is an electrical failure often connected to a failed sensor, wiring, or computer defect. As a result, the compressor and fans might stop. Electrical issues can cause a multitude of problems and damage other air conditioning system components. Further electrical diagnostics conducted by your Tuffy service technician could be necessary to determine the root cause. Finally, on occasion, you might have an air conditioning system component failure. An example could be a malfunctioning compressor, evaporator, or condenser. For your vehicle's air conditioning system to operate and function properly, these components must be in good working order. At the first sign of any air conditioning issue, be sure to stop by your local Tuffy Tire and Auto Service Center for a quick assessment by one of our skilled service technicians. Once the problem has been diagnosed, our service technicians will break it down for you in detail and discuss all of your options. Remember, at Tuffy, we stand by our work and promise it will be done right, period.